Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, there is a update today for Google Chrome. One of those updates where there's not a lot of information. And so when you go to the blog post for Chrome, there's like really nothing there. They're not talking about security. You have to go to the blog post, which is very detailed and weird. So, anyways, last time they did that, there was still an update for security, even though it didn't mention security at all. So we'll, not take any chances. And this is either just bug fixing and new features, or it's security updates. So usually that means that we might have a second update this week. I don't know, depending on what this is. So if you go into the upper right vertical dots, you go to Help and you go to About Google Chrome, you'll be moved on to 150.0. That's 7871.101. So that is the latest version as of today, July 7th. And we're a week away from Patch Tuesday. Somebody has asked me why there wasn't Patch Tuesday today. It's because we're still the first Tuesday. It's always on the second Tuesday, which is next week, the 14th. So anyways, we'll be looking out for maybe something else coming out of an update for Google Chrome for now. But this is what we have right now for updates. And I don't know if it's bug fixing. Maybe they fixed that little square and you won't have to do the procedure that I've shown you how to fix the problem with that square that shows up at startup. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.